Afternoon everybody, welcome to Mara DIY. So today we're going to do a headlamp replacement on this 2015 Hyundai Elantra. It belongs to a dear friend of mine. So right now she's just going to show me how her headlamps look right now, the stock ones. Can you please turn them on for me? They're on. I don't see anything.
Want me to turn them off?
No, the headlights aren't on. Did you put the ignition on? Yes, she's in there laughing at me. She's messing with me. It's okay, folks. You're gonna get lots of laughs in this video. I might tell a joke or two.
Is it on?
Okay, they're on now. So yeah, you can barely see them. Oh God, no wonder your visibility is poor on the road. Poor you. All right, guys. So right now she's gonna take over and hold the camera for me while I change these bulbs. So what we're gonna use for today are these Auxito H11 LED bulbs, which I actually recommended for her to get. These are great. I have the same brand on my Pilot, so luckily the passenger side is easy to replace. Look, just twist this off. There you go. See, comes off. No tools needed. Then we're gonna twist counterclockwise, take the bulb out. Oh, you can turn the bulbs now. I don't want to burn myself. Thank you. So Miss Kelly here is gonna come and assist with the camera, please. Kind of hard to take these off one-handed. So you can come in closer. There's gonna be two clips here. You're gonna pinch down and then remove the bulb up. It's still good. We're just gonna rip this open. Alright. Put this over there. I don't want this flying around. Don't want to litter. Alright, look at this nice packaging. These are nice. Ooh. Oh look, they have fans so I can stay cool. So we're gonna install one of these. So we're gonna go back in here. Plug it in like so. Snaps in. You're gonna angle it this way because you're gonna turn clockwise to lock it in. Just find the tabs and turn, twist. There you go. That's on. We're gonna put this cover back on. Now, unfortunately, the driver's side is not that simple. You are going to need a wrench, a couple sockets, 12 millimeter and 10, because we got to take this bulb out, this housing out, because unfortunately the cover is obstructed by this fuse box, and unfortunately the folks at Hyundai didn't think that through. So hopefully you don't have to do this on the side of the road. Hopefully you can do it at the comfort of your home, like I am doing, like so. Take these out. There's one, two. Luckily, Hyundai's been nice enough to give us bolt and tool holders right here. That's so nice of them. Take this 12 millimeter off. Oh, I didn't lose it, folks. Thank goodness. There you go. Don't do that at home. Now we're just gonna pull on the housing. You're gonna lift up from the bottom and then pull forward. And not breaking anything. It's right in there. Okay, there you go. Okay. And then you're just gonna pull this plug up here. That's holding it in. There you go. pull this out. That's the only connector you're gonna remove. And there you go. We can set this up here. Turn this cover. Twist this off. Take the connector out. There you go. Set that aside. Get the other bulb. Clip it in like so. Align the tabs. Twist clockwise. It won't click, but you can tell when it stops rotating. And then put this back on. Just align the tabs. There you go. And then we're gonna insert this back in the way it came out. So reconnect this. Tricky, because the bumper is gonna get a little bit in the way. You just gotta finesse it in, like so. Make sure not to cross thread the bolts. Put them in by hand. So the toughest part of this installation or replacement is going to be this headlight housing, just because of where it's located. So you just want to pry it, or don't force it too hard. You don't want to damage the bumper, which this is fine. You might have an easier time just because my friend here had some previous front end damage, so maybe that's why I had a problem taking this off. But on your Elantra, it should be a lot easier. Just clamp it down. You don't want to do it too tight. You don't want to break the plastic. So now I'm going to go in the vehicle and I'm going to show you the difference when I turn these on. Let's see. Ooh, they're noticeably brighter. I can actually see that they're on. Unlike before, with the sunlight, you couldn't tell these were on. These look nice. What do you think, Miss Kelly? How they look?
They look awesome.
You'll be able to see at night?
Yeah, that'll be nice.
Yeah. So there you go, folks. How to change the headlight bulbs on a 2015 Hyundai Elantra. This should work on any Elantra of the same vintage. I'll add links below in the comment sections of where to get these light bulbs at, so you can get a good price. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you very much, and have a blessed day.